everyone, we're back with another video. We're making chocolate jelly today. We have a mixer.
We have these popsicle things.
And milk. And a glass of food.
And of course, the jello.
With the milk goes in. Oh.
So, first we need to read the instructions.
Yeah, let's read the instructions.
So,
Here, I'll read it.
where are they?
2 cups cold milk. Pudding mix and milk with whisk 2 minutes. Pudding will be soft set in 5 minutes. Makes 4.5 cup servings. Refrigerate any leftovers.
Milk.
Pudding will not set if made with soy milk. So Emily is now pouring the milk.
No, that's
2 cups.
2 cups. Yep, that's 2 cups. We have, where's 2 cups? It's right somewhere. I think this is it.
2 cups.
And kind of tilting it. So let's pour it in.
So next we're going to be pouring the powder, the chocolate powder. And
Okay.
So right
okay,
now-
good time. Mama. Mommy. And then to mix it.
More. Okay, now
Let me mix.
Matthew.
here we'll all mix.
Did I do it now?
Yeah.
Matthew,
Make sure you don't
slowly,
spill it.
slowly.
Wow, this is chocolate.
So now we are going to be pouring chocolate into the popsicles.
So, I don't know. I'm going to take it off. So, Matthew. Matthew.
My slide was in it.
So now we are putting the sticks in.
Yes, we are. But we don't have that many sticks.
Yeah.
10.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll touch it. I'll touch it. Can I touch it?
I mean, I guess. Now Emily is going to be putting it in the freezer.
No. Where to put it? Right here. Yes!
The popsicles are
They're
done,
done.
and now we're enjoying them.
Now we're enjoying them, and now we're going to eat them all for life. Do this on life.
Take a look, guys.
Alright.
With our saliva on them. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Leave a comment down below.
Yeah.
Subscribe and give us a big fat thumbs up.